Hi everyone. So this is the continuation of the user interface. You may say that this is our previous project. So now what we are going to do today is we are going to design a food menu. So this food menu will be for the Android phone in such a way that, let's say you do work in a restaurant, instead of showing the customer the hard copy of the menu, you can show the customer the software version of the menu. Like, so what we're going to do is we are going to delete all these buttons and the text view. So delete and hit back. So I want my background here, like this white background, to be black. So you can put whatever color you want, and I'll come here. So this Android constraint layout, this one is for this background. Like, yeah, we can say it's a paper, like a page. So it's for this page, and I click enter and light background. Hit enter. So it will give you suggestions, and here I'll click black and hit enter again. So you can see that now it's black. Now I want to add a text view. So I have to add a text view that welcomes a customer and the like. So I say text view. Okay, hit enter, and lab content, and same text, then you say food menu. I think food menu would be good, right? Food menu. You can see it here, but it's grayish. So I want the color to be white. Then I'll light text color. Say text color. Then I say white. So you can see that my color is white, but it's too small. So I'll say size, text size. I want it to be, let's try 30 dp. 30 dp. Not that good. Just to be 40. I want it to be too big. 40 dp. At least 40 dp is good. Okay. Now I want this one to be at the center. I'll just drag, add the constraints, both sides, and up again. Okay. It's good, but I like my letters to be bold. So I also add say stylo. Stylo. So it has to be text style. Oh, no, text stylo. And here I'll say body. So just click here, body. Yeah, I like my letters to be bold. So it's looking good. Now I have to add list of the food which we are offering. It may be chicken, rice, whatever you want, but I'll put only three. So I'll put chicken, rice, and water. So it will contain only three. But before I do that, I want to add another text that welcomes the customer, like you're welcome and the like, so that the customer can be free. So I'll also say text view and say lab content and same text welcome to shadreck restaurant. Okay, please okay, please feel free. Okay, it has to be feel free. Feel free. And again, it has to be white. So say text color, say white. Okay, it's here again. I'll just drag it down and add constraints so that we do not move. Okay. So as I said, I think I have to increase the size of the letters. So say text size. Okay. Let's say 20 dp 20 dp 20 dp. So in this text view, I want like my text to be at the center. You can see that here free is at the left bottom, but I want it to be at the center. So what I can do is to say gravity. So I say gravity, okay, center. So you can see that it's at the center like this. And I will need to add few images, and to add an image, so we have actually two choices in which we can use to add images. The first one is to add an image view. So say image view, so it's this one, image view. I have to say wrap content, but I don't like lab content for this image. I want it to be 100. I say 100 dp, and down here it has to be 100 as well. Let's try this. It's just a matter of trying. 100 dp, and okay, I can see it. Where is it? Here it is. I can't see it because I haven't added an image yet. So if I want to see it, I want to see where my image will be. I can say I can put the background to be bright for this image. The background, I want it to be white. So you can see that our image will be here. Okay, so here's where our image, I just want to increase it a little. This is where our image will be. adding few constraints. Okay, now I downloaded some images. Now to add an image to Android Studio, you have to go to the file where you are keeping your images. So I downloaded these free images on Google. I'll just highlight them and I want to copy. So I'll copy them. Okay, now where is the copy? Okay, done here. So copy. Then go back to Android Studio. To the very left side of Android Studio, you have to come where it's written resources. It's race. So you click there. Then you come where it's written drawable here. Okay, so you may click drawable like this and click the right side of your mouse. Then you find where it's written paste here. And here, if you are given two options, the other one ends with drawable and the other one ends with drawable slash v24. You have to click the one which is written drawable, not the one which ends with 24. So click OK and you may click OK. So you can see my images here. I have rice, water, and chicken. So these are images. Now, if I want to add, let's say, rice to this image view like this one, so I can click anywhere else here inside this code, and I'll say src, enter. Then let's say I want to take chicken. I love chicken, so I click chicken. So you can see that my chicken now is here. You see, but the reason why I don't like using an image view is you can see that it doesn't fit well. Like you need to do lots of things for it to fit. And here you see that there's a gap here. Like at the left and at the right, there are gaps. So for me, I like using text view to put an image so that it can fit perfectly. Or the other way, you can take this very same image view and instead of putting your background here to be white, you can put it you can just remove this background. That's the first way. So you can see it's like it fits, but it is leaving me with some other gaps here. It is showing that there are other gaps. So I like using text view. So with text view, you can say like I can do like this. Let me add a text view here. Text view. Okay, let's say lab content. Lab content. And let's say background. So I can put chicken as a background. So you can say chicken. Okay. It's full here, but no need to worry. Let's put here, it has to be 100, just as we did with the chicken, 100 dp. And here, 100 as well, 100 dp. And here is my chicken, and it's full. So I can just zoom however I want and do whatever I want with it. You can see that it doesn't leave any space. So you may choose either to use this one or to use this one. It's your choice. So I'll delete this one. So I'll delete this one and use this text view. So I'm using text view as an image view. You see? So you may do whatever you want. It doesn't matter really. It doesn't matter. Okay. Do what makes you happy. Now I want to add other food items. So all I can do, because I already have a code like this one for adding food item, so I can highlight this one, this text view, then uh, right click, copy, and I can paste it down here. Control V. It's here. You can't see it because it's here. So this is a copy, and here where it's written, where is it? Chicken here. I can put rice. Okay. So this is a bowl of rice. And somewhere here, I can put, it has to be down here. I have to put, it has to be, so I'll use the very same code. I'll just do Control V. So it's also here. Okay. Somewhere here. I want it to be water. Don't forget we are offering 3 food items, chicken, rice, and water. So here I can add water. And here is a bottle of water. Now we have added the images for our food items, but don't forget we have to include the name of the food item and the price for the food item. So what we can do is there are actually many ways in which you can do this. Okay, so you may just choose what works for you, what is best for you. So here for this, what is this? This one for chicken. Down here, put okay, let's say text view, and I want to say lab content, and here lab content as well. Then I'll say text. So this text is up here somewhere here. Okay, so text, it has to be chicken, 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 and the price has to be, I don't know, let's say it has to be $2. $2. The color has to be white so that we can see. Okay, let's try white here. Text color has to be white. So this one, so I just need to drag it here. See, so here it's written chicken $2. And the background of this word, let's let it match with this one. It has to match. Yes, it has to match. Okay, the color, I want the background color to be background. Say background. I'll say no worry, you can say check white as at first. Then I have to customize it here. I want the color to be somewhere orange. So it has to be somewhere orange. Okay, so it has to be, I don't know if this one is orange, but yes, I like this one. Yes, I like this one. So I want this ways to be at the center. So we again say gravity. Okay, and center, so it's at the center. So this one, our chicken. Okay, here our chicken $2. Okay, and we can just copy this text view and paste it here for rice as well. Control V, and here we can take so we'll say here what will change is chicken will be rice. So it will be rice. It has to be, let's say it has to be $3. $3. And we are going to do the same with this one. A bowl of water. And control V. So it's, I don't know where it is. I think so. Okay. I'll change here where it's written chicken and light water. Water $10. So you can see that our layout is looking beautiful. Now if you install or run this application, you see that it will look exactly like this one. So that's all for today. We are going to meet on Friday.